挑战抓100个老外，体验中国。How is it?
It was really exciting. It was interesting. It was a new, like I taste a new taste for me. Okay. But it was really great. Yeah,
That's just the appetite. Okay, so right now we're gonna go check out Showen Natures. Okay?
Okay.
Shall we? Let's go. We are here. Now we have to walk. Okay, we are visiting Showen Erdong. It's like a cave. It's natural, but we have to walk. You okay?
Okay.
We are here.
Yeah. It's so beautiful.
Massive, right?
Yeah, this view is just perfect. I don't believe it. It's really like a film, like I don't know, like it's a picture. I don't know, like
It's unreal.
Yeah, like it's a painter just do it.
Okay, let's go in. We gotta go in. Okay. Wow, look at that.
Just I don't know. I think it's just gorgeous.
Break me, easily replace me. Hopefully you see clear, hopefully it's HD. Bet you wonder why the last few months I've been spacey. In your head I sing.
Camera, wave. There.
Very, very magnific.
How do you feel?
I'm in shock. I'm shocked. It's so beautiful. It's so exciting. It's so cool. It's the best place I have ever visited. Really, thank you very
There's
much.
a lot more, actually.
Really?
I mean, not today. There's one more I need to show you. Right now it's 5. I hope we can get there. If we couldn't get there, we go have dinner. If we could get there, something is amazing. It will be amazing, okay?
Okay.
Let's go. Hurry up. We are here. Are you ready for the second surprise?
Yes, but I really don't know what is it. So I'm a little bit just have some kind of butterflies inside my stomach.
Oh, we gotta walk.
Gotta walk.
Be careful.
Knows meaning? Just my life. No. Just like this. You will never regret. Believe me.
Be careful. Wow. There's a cave.
Just look. How beautiful. Not me. Me also, but. My God!
We are in 山火岩，好难走啊 ！Let's go.
Some stretches. It's okay. It's okay.
We're here. 可是水不是很大，没关系，我觉得还是蛮漂亮的。What do you think?
I think it's very, very breathtaking. It's beautiful. It's so picturesque and just, I can't believe it. It's true. Really, just can you see it? Can you see it? I understand this camera can show you all, but believe me, it's so beautiful.
Next time, I will bring you to see another waterfall if you got time. Actual one, close up.
Really?
Yeah, next time.
Guys, do you want to see it? I want to see it.
我们走进去看一下。
比谁高，比谁快，比谁厉害，这是山，这不是社会。无论走到哪个高度，是不是登顶，山都会回馈你，它会给你这份只属于你的感受。这话怎么说来着？悲观者总是正确，乐观者正在前行。
Whoa! Do you like it?
I love it. I don't like it. I love it.
You love it. Yeah. Well, I have no words right now. Actually.
Yeah, it's so peaceful place.
Yeah, we have to go through shit like there all the way
It
come.
was really
Yeah,
hard.
we have to go through all the way and come here.
Yeah, but it's worth it.
Okay, I really hope you enjoy it.
Yeah, so much.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you for inviting me. Really, it's
welcome.
I'm so lucky to be here. Thank you.
You're welcome. That's it for the episode, but the episode doesn't end here. We still got dinner.
Wow.
Yes, local dinner.
Wow, so
Yeah,
cool.
special dinner. I hope you
Okay.
like it.
Okay.
And for people who come here, please be careful, okay? Be caution. Please look after your safety. And if you ever visit here, please pick up whatever litters that you see. We try to make the environment clean and the nature's clean. Bring your trash home. Thank you very much. And that's it for the episode. Shall we go grab dinner?
Yeah, exactly.
We'll say see you next time.
See you next time.